Have you guys ever wondered what shared funnels are? Well, today I'm going to break down and tell you what they are, and I'm also going to give you a money-making strategy with shared funnels. So you're gonna wanna check this out. Say what? All right, guys, so shared funnels are simply a funnel that can be copied and pasted into someone else's website. So for instance, let's say you go into Nike.com. Well, if it was a shared funnel, you could essentially copy and paste everything that Nike has to offer and plug it into your site. And then change things, right? Instead of saying Nike.com, say mycoolshoes.com, right? And so literally that is happening right here on ClickFunnels. So it is pretty sweet. So essentially you can duplicate a whole funnel, and it can sometimes even look like a whole website. You can plug and play and put in your affiliate offers or plug in your products. So it's pretty awesome. These shared funnels can be free, where literally people are just sharing them for free. One incentive of doing that is hopefully that if someone that does not have a ClickFunnels account and uses the shared funnel, they would then have to get a ClickFunnels account, so that person would get a commission. So there's an incentive to share these funnels. There are also shared funnels that are paid. So essentially like buying a WordPress theme, those can be $100 to $300 or whatever. You can do that as well, where you can buy paid shared funnels, or you can also sell them, which goes to my next bullet point there. You can literally build any funnel that you want and then turn around and sell them. A place that you can get shared funnel, that is the big question. Where can you get shared funnels? Well, if you're on Facebook groups within ClickFunnels, a lot of people are sharing them there. But if you want to go to a designated place where they are selling them, that is called the marketplace. That is on the ClickFunnels website. There's a great list just run on ClickFunnels blog. It's called the Ultimate List ClickFunnels Share Funnels. I think it has like over 20 shared funnels that are great. There's a real estate funnel, right? So anybody that does real estate, if you're a real estate agent, why wouldn't you literally grab that free funnel and plug it into your own and make it your own? Just tweak it a little bit, put your name, maybe add a different picture, different colors, and boom, you're done. So it can be a really easy process. Also, the great thing about these shared funnels, especially on the ClickFunnels site, if they're promoting them, that they are proven, data proven, where they're going to be successful and they are actually going to convert. So that's that. Here's what the marketplace looks like. So just want to show you that. Okay, now guys, here is a strategy for anyone that wants to make some money with shared funnels. Okay, so number one, find offers on affiliate sites like ClickBank, OfferVault, CJ, or Amazon, right? If you just go on there, look for offers, okay? Next, build a basic funnel for those offers and then promote the affiliate link yourself. One, why would you do that? Well, you can make money, right? So if you're gonna get an affiliate link anyway, you need to build some sort of website to promote it, etc. That's one way to do it. And then the next thing is number three, of course, share that. Now you can literally go to the owner or the creator of whatever the affiliate offer is, right? And you could say, hey, I've built this funnel. I think you could use it yourself, and then you could promote it to other affiliates, right? That's a great way. You can do that either free or paid. And then another thing is you could literally just reach out to other affiliates and be like, hey guys, here's a great product that you can sell. Use my funnel, and boom, it's kind of a turnkey business. So pretty sweet there. So once again, you could sell these shared funnels that you create, or you could give them to someone for free. Either way, you're going to get it's going to be a win, another win, because you could be earning commissions on the back end or front end if you sell it. So once again, free offer funnel. I do see people doing that a lot, and they hope to get more affiliate commissions. So the other thing is, my suggestion is, if you don't want to build and you're wanting to get started with ClickFunnels, look for shared funnels that you can implement, right? Just start using them. It's easy. It's hardly any work. They're proven and they will work. So guys, that is my overview of shared funnels. It's pretty awesome. You can drag and drop someone's professional funnel and turn it into your own. So pretty sweet stuff. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. If you'd like to be notified, tap that bell icon. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and that will be a wrap. Okay guys, have an awesome day, and we will talk to you again soon.